Let's fix this iPhone 13 Pro Max backglass and screen. The red light shows where the laser will mark,
guys ready?
and then we can shoot the laser and remove the backglass. Check it out. Now we get to the hard part, actually removing the backglass. Again, a lot of sensitive components under there to be very careful of, and we will replace the MagSafe system after everything is removed and cleaned up. That's the MagSafe right there. Now we're going to remove the old screen and replace it. I'm using a genuine Apple screen. Ah, that's so satisfying.